Welcome to the plot. I hope Storm Ciaran, I think that's how you say it, is okay. Oh gosh, hold up. So, audio update. This is going to be a bit, sorry, I'm just trying to tuck in. Oh, it's windy. Oh gosh. Ah, no. My hood's blown off. Yes, audio update. The media mod that basically sits on my camera is being sent back to GoPro. They're going to replace it for free. They're very good, GoPro, for this. As long as you can isolate the problem, which I did, making sure it wasn't the external mic or the what do you call it? Oh, the camera itself. Cool. I mean, I think we've been okay weather-wise here. In terms of wind, I hope, let me know how you're getting on, where you're at with the storm. Is it impacting you? I hope it's not too much. Yeah, it's just very wet here, so I'm walking to the plot rather than driving down because it's I don't want to get stuck. Yeah, just thought I'd have a look. This is a really quick one. Have a look, have a coffee and go to work, because I have to send the media mod thing back to GoPro, and then as soon as they receive it they send out the replacement, which is brilliant, but it will take 2 weeks or up to, perhaps. Oh gosh. Right, I'm gonna get in. So yeah, morning. Well, I've already been chatting. Oh, let's just get this in because it's really rather wet. Oh, just check the time. I'm okay. Well, I'll have a coffee and I'm going to have a little wander about. There's no work, nothing's going to be happening today. It's just an update. Hope that you're all right for Storm Ciaran. We weren't sure whether we'd get a lot of wind. So far, it's not been windy. It's just been, I think it's been raining all night. So everything is very soggy. Yeah. Cheers, everybody. Oh. Well, to be fair, that leak on the shed, or not even a leak, but there's nothing there, and it has been raining all night, so that's pretty good. So it's not showing. I did actually do what do you call it, the silver stuff all the way up to the end on this side. In fact, maybe going outside might help to see that. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, just I don't know if you can see the weather with the camera. It's difficult. Oops, just kicked something. I can't remember how the audio is on this one. I mean, this is how I use the camera at home when I'm doing the cooking stuff. I don't put the media mod on because it's all to attach the external mic, and at the moment it's just the plain old GoPro 10, and that's a year and a half old now. Lovely. So the budget cooking giveaway is going to be on a live on November the 10th on a Friday evening at 7 o'clock UK time, just in case you're somewhere else. It will be alive, and I'll have a little glass of red. So Jim, if you fancy a tonic water, just make sure you add copious amounts of gin, okay? Do you know, I do like all weathers, I really do. Right, I'm going to put the coffee down. Just have a little walkabout. I'm going to put my hood up. The GoPro is waterproof. Oh. Yeah, the reason I'm late to the allotment is really because I was on the phone, a chat with GoPro for a good hour, just doing the whole to and froing. They were great, just it does take time, and then I had to package the thing during that hour, just because I'm just dropping it off today because I want the new one to replace the old one ASAP. And I can't, you know, because the sound quality is not going to be as good as with the external mic. I'm so happy with my boysenberry. It's going to look great. And look how it's growing. It just keeps growing. I mean, I think that I could eventually go like that on this one. I might do that. I'm going to do wood chip here through the path, just extend it through. Is there any more new growth? Oh look, there's some. Oh no, that's from what's going up. Oh, like there. That will need tying up there soon. On that one. Yeah. Yes, it is really raining. Oh dear. This will all be sorted out soon. The beds, just we'll weed them. It won't take long. And in fact, I might put the spring cabbage there, under horticultural fleece. Oh, in fact, I do want to save my I keep forgetting it. Oh, we removed the bags of soil, took them home because it's what's the word? Green waste tomorrow. This is a Thursday, but it will be going out on a Friday. I don't know why I kept forgetting. I want the metal hoops because they will be useful, and I just have to get rid of the black because it's all ripped up. Very good. Oh, let's have that coffee. I'll stick it in here, it'll be fine. Oh, I didn't show as well. I added these. I'm so happy. They're fantastic. Really good. Oh, whew. Well, you got a bit watered? You got a bit of water on there? Probably. I left the bags in here as well, the ones that are going to be in the giveaway. They will be on a live as well. Sorry, hold on. Not sure when though, but probably after the budget, some point after. I will say, and I will be. Sorry, I'm talking without me on the camera. I will be catching up with the emails. I'm not ignoring them, but I just don't want to click in them until I've actually written you down on a list. So bear with. I will get, and I want to go through them methodically from the bottom up, rather than, because then once I know I've been in them. You know, when the bold black fades to, you know, when you've answered an email, you know you have, because it's not bold anymore. Oh, it's really raining. Well, thanks for sharing this coffee. I did mean to bring my phone. Coffee and comments I was fancying today. Been ages since I've done that. I forgot my phone. I'm really sorry about that. Charging it is. Never mind. Another time. Can you hear? I hope you can hear the rain. Yeah. We'll walk back to the car in a minute. Oh, right. What's the time? I might go and get my phone. Right, before I go to work, because this is before work. No, I'll drop off the GoPro. That's the job to do. Oh, well, have a great weekend, everybody. Oh, let's walk back. Walk back with me, because it's quite nice to have the company. Oh, also, just in case any of you are interested, don't worry if you're not, it's absolutely fine, but my merch store has free postage this weekend, from 9 AM Saturday morning till midnight Sunday. What's the date? What's the date then? What are we? Where? Oh, 4th and 5th of November 2023, just in case you were watching in the future. Yeah, so it's got free postage. I know, Anita, you received yours and you said you like the packaging. Packaging's really cute, isn't it? It's all no plastic, which is great, and they come in a very sturdy box. The cups, the mugs. I love the mugs. The mugs is what I really like on there. It has additional products, and you know, I don't know. I need to buy some samples. I have to buy them, but they're at a slightly reduced rate. Because it's not obviously not me that's producing it, but like the t-shirts and that, I haven't tried them. I need to buy some and give it a go, but I need to wait for payday before I do that. Yeah, let's have a look. I think you've got rain on the camera lens. It's a bit wet. I think that's the understatement of the year. Soggy Thursday stroke. This is coming out on Friday. You know the kudos. Yeah. There's my trusty old car. She's well, she 20 odd years old now. Yeah. Good old Peugeot, what is it, 307. Yeah, a bit battered, but it does the job. Right. See you in a bit. Well, see you later, tomorrow. No, yeah, well, on the next one. I don't know what's going on. Take care, everybody. See you on the next one. Bye. Just gonna wipe the lens.